Okay, so my name is Rafael. I grew up in Brazil and migrated to Australia back in 2016 to do my degree in project management. And then later on, I moved to Rockhampton to start my master's in research, where I focused on improving the efficiency of a mango harvester. I had worked as a mechatronics engineer as well in Australia, working with mobile robotics for the military, and it all kind of intersects, all works together. It's pretty much, even though one is mango, the other one is military applications, the robotics system, the software behind, they're all the same, they're all similar. And normally when you start to work as a mechatronics or a research engineer, you often start with around $70,000 per year, up to $100,000 on average. I grew up in a modern city, but it's still a city with like 2 million people. So it's pretty much focused on manufacturing and industry. So no, I never grew around farms or in the rural areas. This was the thing that kind of came later in life as opportunities came up, like, oh, there's this opportunity to do research with robots in the farm to help with like improving systems that need to automatize harvesting of mangoes, because right now Australia is suffering from shortage, labor shortage. It's very hard, especially in the Northern Territory. It's very hard to find labor to actually be in the farm the whole day under the sun picking mangoes. So much food, or fruit I guess, is wasted because it's just not picked, because we don't have people to pick things. Mostly what we do here is software. So I spend most of the time in front of a computer with my cameras or with my grippers, testing, validating the software, and then normally every September, October, every year, we go to the Northern Territory to test our prototypes. So the process is you spend a whole year developing your code, developing your robot, and then once per year when it's mango season, you go to the field and then you test it. It's a lot of try and error, especially when you're doing something that's new, something that no one has ever done. We are still trying to break this barrier where we want the first mango harvester. So when you finally see the gripper like going and get the mango and it's like, wow, that's a nice position. It's like, yeah, we did it. That's when you feel the rush, the dopamine, like, yay, that's the best thing. You can't Google, like if you try to Google and try to find a solution, good luck. It's hard. And if you Google it and try to use whatever, ChatGPT, whoever tool you want, whatever tool you want, you can't find the answer. You are the one that's supposed to find the answer. So that's definitely the most challenging thing, is to figure out what you're supposed to do, because there's no internet, so the robot is there in the middle of nowhere. It has to figure out with whatever sensor it has. And if it fails, one arm is going to break, so failure is not an option. It has to do safely, especially if there's a human around. So yeah.